Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and today we're going to be continuing on with our Beautiful Soup series. So we've installed it, we've looked at it, we've reintroduced requests. Now we're going to touch on the ability to use regular expressions. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos, one video at a time. So I'm going to show you that regular expressions comes right in with this. So this is why this is going to work. So we have our soup object, and it is gargantuan. And to remind you, it is just the entire HTML. All right, now we looked at a couple things and we went through, but we were only getting the first item. So let's look at a couple tags. So we got our soup, then find all, find. Well, we got find. Let's just use, we know that regular expression. So we're going to get this. So here's the first occurrence of this a tag, a link. But we can also use our regular expressions, find all, and then boom, here we go. Okay, here we are. Then let's get this a little readable. So for a in soup, find all, print a. All right, here we go. So boom, now of course this is a very large file. Now let's just look at it of how to get just the links out. So I want to show you, well, I'm going to show you one more and then we'll just get the links. So all right, where was it? Yeah, this is it. So for link in, because this parses right, bam, and soup dot find all of a, then print link dot get, and then right here, he, the hyperreference, and did I close it? Yep. So here we go. So here we go. So you can go through and pull out and just get all of the lists of every single link in here. And this is just beginning to scratch the surface. So like I said, we will be continuing doing baby steps, micro videos of all the things that we can begin, and just the power of this and the tools that we will build from here. So as always, guys, please drop any comments, questions, any video requests, anything that I may have scooted through a little too quickly. But I just always want to tell you guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up for me. Make sure we're sharing this with everybody who's trying. It's fall. Everybody's getting in the groove. Everybody's wanting to learn programming. Let's just share this channel with them and this community. So as always, guys, thanks again, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.